This is a picture made at 20 Mitten Street of sausage being manufactured. First we see David. He bones out the meat and strips it ready for the mincer. But previously, John must weigh the meat out into 25-pound blocks. Then he will pass it over the mincer. Next, we will see he is taking quite a considerable force to drive it through. You must also see that no bones are included, as these would break the knives and plates inside the machine. We now see John weighing the rusk, to which must be added preservative and seasoning. This job is usually done the night before, and can be done any time when it is convenient, and left ready for the machine. David is now weighing out the water. This has to be done very accurately, as if too much water is added, it will make a very sloppy sausage which are liable to burst. Therefore, it is much better to use a scale and weigh the water rather than measure out in pints. We now see the whole lot being chopped in the chopper. This mixes and also chops the meat very, very fine, almost to a paste. Chopping continues for about 3 minutes. After that time, heat is generated which will make the sausage sour. You can see David now filling the filler, ready for filling. In the meantime, John has been preparing his skins, finding the ends and placing them on these pipes on this machine. You now see the filler being operated. This is by hydraulic power. This is a German machine and will fill 50 pounds of sausage in half a minute, as long as the sausage skins are of good quality. You now see Victor linking by hand. There has been no machine yet invented to link sausage. That is the end of the film about sausage. We will, however, go on now with black puddings. The first thing with the puddings is the barley goes out. Then is added the pepper. The other ingredients have been weighed previously. Now the herbs. David is stirring. Vic is adding the other ingredients. David is now adding onions. After the onions comes the blood. The blood is poured in and the whole lot is then stirred in. Rusk is also added. They are now stirring in until all the lumps have disappeared. They continue to stir and then add the fat. The fat is then added in, and the fat is added last so that the fat does not melt into the mixture. David now is filling the filler, ready for the job. When that is filled, the skins are prepared in the same way. These skins are a larger diameter than the previous as used for the sausage, but they are prepared in the same way. They are then placed on the filler pipe, which has already been prepared with the mixture inside, and the pedal is operated and the skins are filled in the same way as the sausage. Linking, however, is done in a different way. They are done with string and both ends are tied so that neither end can escape into the pan as they are afterwards boiled. David is now loading the boiler, ready for the batch to be boiled. They are boiled first in this pan for about 10 minutes. And afterwards they will be put into another pan, which on the right hand side of this one, these are now boiled and are ready for going into the second pan. The second pan has a cleaner water and has a cleaning effect so that the puddings turn out black. After boiling, they are then put on the rack for cooling. And after cooling can be consumed right away and are ready for delivery.